to this vlogging thing. So if I didn't say hello before, and you know, hello to all my new subscribers and welcome back to my channel. This is Meeka, living with Meeka. If I didn't greet you all and if I didn't come on, you know, politely, I apologize. This morning I was exhausted. I was tired. I was just trying to hurry up and get to the courthouse. Right now, when I left the courthouse, I needed to go to my bank. And then when I got to my bank, they were saying that they didn't have enough tellers. And so you have to make an appointment. Sorry about you guys all out my window. Okay. So they were just saying that I needed to make an appointment to be able to go into my bank because they didn't have enough tellers. Like, you know, I guess people that are in the offices, they didn't have enough of them. And so I went to another branch and same thing. They didn't have enough, you know, tellers in the bank to be able to assist me. So they told me I needed to make an appointment. I made an appointment and the lady called me back and said she'll be able to see me here at 4. It is 3:43 and I'm supposed to meet with her at 4 o'clock. So I'm on my way. It shouldn't take me that long to get there. It is sunny out here. I am enjoying the freaking sun, you guys. It's a blessing. Like, it's hot, yes, it's hot. It's not, you know, yes, but it's nice. I don't know. I'm from Texas, so honey, I will choose this heat over winter any day. Last night, you guys, I just sat on the couch and ate sherbet ice cream. I ate right out of my sherbet container because I'm the only one that eats it. So it was nice. I was just like, yes. It was like I was in a very happy place eating sherbet ice cream. Yes. Do you know what orange sherbet ice cream tastes like? It actually tastes just like those little push-ups when you were a kid. Pretty much. And I used to love those when I was a kid. I love those push-ups. I used to get from the ice cream truck. The push-ups. Boy, I used to always get them. And that's what sherbet ice cream is, I think, because when I eat it, I get the same little happy enjoyment that I used to get as a child. Yes. So, yeah, I'm on my way to my bank. And I just wanted to come in and say hello, you guys, because I know earlier I did not come back because I was discouraged. I couldn't get see a banker. So I just went on back home and got in the bathtub and got dressed and stuff like that. Started doing things around the house with Miles. And oh, I got a visit from the grandbabies. That was really nice. Yeah, the grandbabies came to visit Grandma Meeka. And Milo is getting so doggone big. MJ done got so long. Yeah, it was a really nice time. I really appreciated Des for bringing them by. She hasn't gotten her car back yet, so she was riding with my mother. So, yes, honey. So I'm gonna go on and get off of here and get in this bank and get all my stuff transferred over. And then after that, I'm pretty much at a standstill, I think, until my documents come back into the mail, because I gotta change policies and just all kind of stuff I need to do, honey. I got a lot to do. I do. But let me come back, you guys, when I'm doing something else, because right now I'm not doing anything. I'm just headed to the bank. Little girl with your pink purple hair, you almost hit me. Yeah, girl. That wouldn't have been a good idea, sweetie. Well, probably not for you, because your vehicle looked newer. me get off of here, y'all. Bye. I'll be back. Hello, you guys. Hello. Welcome back to my channel. This is Meeka with Living with Meeka. So, yeah, right now, you guys, for all the new people, hello. Yeah, so I'm feeling a little awkward. But anyways, sitting here doing my toes. I have all my little toe things down here on the floor. And yeah, so I am, let me show you what I got. I got my little drawers here, my acrylic drawers of just little nail things here. This is for my dipping powders and things like that. I have more in there, but yeah, that's that. And then I got my drill stuff. You remember I did that on my nails last time, the glow in the dark. I need to redo it. This nail hasn't popped off. This nail hasn't popped off. And this nail has not popped off. Ooh. Blurry. Then I have that one right there with all my acrylic. I mean, not acrylic, but my gel. My gel polishes. Over there I have like, don't ever order these, you guys, off of Amazon. I ordered this and I tried it out and the polish chips really bad. I don't know if I need to put more than one coat, more than 2 coats, but all I know is that I think I put 1 or 2 coats and they chipped really bad. I've never had an experience with gel nails polish chipping. It's supposed to last until you remove it, but yeah, I don't know. I didn't like it. I got my drills and, you know, lights and things like that over in that one. My light here. Right now I'm getting ready to do this Swish Silk. It's like, I don't know if you guys ever seen these, but they're just like satin, like a satin. And I'm doing it to this nail right here because it broke. And so what you do is you put glue. You use glue and you paint it on the nail, and then you place one of these over it, and then you just keep going over it with the glue. I might end up using a little dipping powder as well, just to make it strong. And yeah, and that's going to repair that crack. So right now I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to come back and show you guys what it looks like, because I don't have the setup to just, you know, point the camera at my toes while I work. I don't have that set up, so I don't know how to do that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do my toes and then come back. Yeah, I have a really ugly pinky toe. I just got done filing it down. That's why it looks white. But yeah, my pinky toe is like so ugly, you guys. It just grows. It grows going straight up. It grows going straight up, child. But you know what? I make it work, child. She's a not the cutest little pinky toe, but you know what? I think all in all, she's gonna be cute when I get done. So yeah. Oh, right now I'm just going to paint them white with my white gel polish right here. So yeah, and then I have these little things that I got. I don't know if I'm gonna use those or not. Yeah, so that's that. Now I'm about to get started with my toes.
I was good, I'm on, that's the way it was. That's the way do that, you're nasty up, and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, loopings. Well, alright then. Can you see me a cleanest? Clothes when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching-ching. Inna the Louis V vest, girl want with his squeeze silicone and real bless. Can a blow breeze for the head of my penis. Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. Not like ease out, ease out.
Chevy drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I could let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan, and I'm out here with the 700 3i5s. Look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else, you're all I need. Personality.
Okay, you guys, I'm back. I had to basically create a nail. I did the same process as I did on the big toe over here. Except for over here, I was repairing a crack. And over here, it just wasn't enough nail. So, Yeah, as you can see, the polish peeled peeled off. So I just made one out of the silk wrap. I just basically used the other half of what I had and just, you know, put it on the toe. And yeah. So now I'm about to paint this toenail. That's the dehydrator. Go back over that with the foundation. That's the foundation.